I got a little something I bought recently. I saw on the internet. I thought it was kind of hilarious, so I bought it. People love this stuff for reasons. Here we go. Hopefully I don't destroy the thing I'm opening here. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Now, I've not actually seen what this looks like in here, obviously, because I'm cutting up tape, but here we go. Oh, these are... There's a bunch of them in here. And this... Oh, here we go. I'm glad I got this one first. Check this out. There's 10 of these things in here, by the way. Those who don't know, I actually used to love crabs. It's a little crab. It's a pen holder. Oh, that's great. Look at that. That's pretty good. I have quite a few of these. Fantastic.